Welcome, from me is a OnePlus Nord, and today I'll show you how to record screen on the device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which for me is on the second page right over there. From here, tap on it, and before you actually start recording, I would advise you to go into the settings, which is the middle icon, and from here change the settings of the recording to, well, match your needs. So as you can see, you have different resolutions at which you can record, different bit rates, and also frame rates. Now at the moment it's set to basically the highest of everything. So you have highest resolution, highest bit rate, and highest frame rate. And if you're planning to record something like a gameplays on this device, I would suggest to keep it at these settings. Now, if you're planning to record something more simple, then I would suggest to probably drop the frame rate to like 30, and also all resolution can be dropped. Bitrate, I would keep it as it is. If you drop it low, it might look bad. Now, if you're really struggling for space, you most certainly can drop it. But like I'm saying, before you actually start recording it, try to capture maybe some test footage to see how it will look like. Now, apart from the resolutions, frame rates, and stuff like that, we have also audio source, which you can choose to have either no audio or internal audio, which will be the audio of the device, or also, not also, but a microphone. Now, unfortunately, you can only select one of them. You cannot select two. So you will have to choose if you want either the phone sounds or the microphone. So this is completely up to you. Then video orientation, I would keep it as it is. It will then be recording at whatever the orientation of the device is right now. So as you can see right now, it is in portrait. So it will record the video in portrait. If you flip the device over to landscape, it will record in landscape. So the auto will basically determine it based on the phone's right now orientation. But if you want to, you can always change it to be default to specific orientation. Then we have things like hide floating widgets. So just some kind of widget that can hide. Show touch operation. This will record where you were touching the display. Now, in terms of recording gameplays, I would probably disable this. It will create like a grayish dot on the screen wherever you're pressing your finger, and it might be a little bit distracting. In terms of, I don't know, some guides, I probably would keep it on in this case. And then, apart from that, we have also pause recording when screen is off. So if you lock the device, it will automatically pause it. And as you can also see, there is no option for recording with the front camera. That's a bit unfortunate though. So once everything is set, you can simply leave this mode and tap on the red circle right here to begin recording. And whatever you will do now will be recorded. And at this moment, everything is being recorded at full quality, so the highest resolution, bit rate, and frame rate. And as you can see, I'm just kind of moving around, so there is something being recorded. And also you can see that there's this kind of faint countdown right here. This is, once you tap on it, it will show it up, the countdown, how long it has been recording. And you can from here pause it if you want to, then resume recording once you, I don't know, move to a different page or do something that you might have want to do. Or you can simply stop it also, which will automatically save the recording. And from here, the recording can be found in your photo gallery. So, let's open that up and go to collections, and we go screen recording folder. I'm gonna close this, and there is the recording. Now I'm gonna mute the sound. And as you can see, this is the recording that I have created. As you can see, there's a little circle. That's where I was pressing the display. So fairly simple. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.